Okay. So I think, how about the price? Feedback from the customer. Is it good, right? Okay, thank you. So of course, when it comes to the package for Neta X, the vehicle warranty will come in, of course, 5 years warranty or 150,000 kilometers. And the battery warranty will come for 8 years or 180,000 kilometers. And for all the customers who make a booking from 25th to 31st of July, get a double booking value. Means if you put your booking 1,000 ringgit, you can get the value at up to 2,000 ringgit. Then we will give a complimentary wall box or 2,500 kilowatts of charge in credit. And also complimentary maintenance for 2 years or up to 40,000 kilometers.